So here's what you need to make a basic lantern from wet strength tissue paper. You're going to need some willow sticks, otherwise known as withies, some sheets of wet strength tissue paper, some masking tape, white PVA glue, some secateurs or pliers to cut your willow sticks, a sponge or a wide paintbrush, a plastic tub to mix your PVA glue in, and if you want to light your lantern up, the safest way to do it is a battery tea light. So we're going to start with our willow sticks. This is a 100% natural product grown in Somerset in the UK. So we're going to cut off about 40 centimetres and we're just going to use the wire cutters. You just need a little bit of brute force. And that leaves us with one stick. Now you could be very accurate and measure them, but I'm just going to use this one to keep cutting and making our next ones. If you've got a particularly thick piece of willow, make the cut indentation and then snap. So there we have 6 pieces of willow, roughly the same length. First of all, we're going to make a triangle base with our willow sticks. Overlap the corners slightly because it makes it easier to seal with your masking tape. We're just using a standard masking tape, 25mm width. Lay your masking tape down, lift up your 2 sticks and then just wrap it round. There we have a triangular base. If you feel you need to, just go back over with some more masking tape. Now we're going to make the uprights. Take one upright into your corner on the outside and secure with the masking tape. It should just sort of rest there. Don't worry if it drops slightly. Then let's do another corner. Do your masking tape first, put your stick in and secure with masking tape. So there they all are, lightly secured. Now we just need to move them into position at the top. Don't worry if some of the sticks are longer. Again, with your masking tape that was already torn, hold the sticks up and just secure at the apex. Any extra long bits of willow, simply trim off. It doesn't matter if you've got bits sticking out, it's all part of the natural lantern. Then what I would do is quickly go round and re-secure all of the joints. Now we're going to make the glue mixture to put onto the wet strength tissue paper. We're going to use a standard white PVA glue. You can use any white glue. It tends to come in 2 kinds, a washable, which is the sort that you'd use at school. This will work and it's better for use with children's, but if you want your lantern to last longer, you should use a medium PVA glue because it's got more plastic content in it. So we're just going to add some glue to our bowl. Then we're going to add our water. It's roughly 5 times the amount of glue that you've used. We're aiming for like a creamy texture, and you can just mix this with a stick or a brush. You just want the glue to be fully dissolved. At this stage, you could add some powder paint or ready mixed paint to the glue if you want to add colour to your wet strength tissue paper. Now we're going to use the PVA mixture on the wet strength tissue paper. So to make the lantern, we're going to use Carnival Papers wet strength tissue paper. This is a special tissue paper that stays strong when wet. There's 2 ways we can get the paper wet for a lantern, and we're going to show you both. First of all, take your sheet of tissue paper, lay it on a surface that you don't mind cleaning up afterwards, or use a splash mat. Then we're going to brush a glue mixture onto the tissue paper. Then you can pick the tissue paper up and it stays intact. And then we're going to layer it over our structure. If the tissue paper folds over, it's still easy to unfold just because it stays strong when wet. So we're going to layer it over our structure and smooth down. The other way, if you don't want to use a brush, take your sheet of tissue paper, scrunch it up, dip it in, then literally just unravel and layer on. Right, so then we're going to carry on layering our paper over. It doesn't matter the layers, as it dries, it all goes translucent anyway. For the edges, you can just fold the tissue paper over and stick back on itself underneath. If you've got any holes where the sheets weren't quite big enough, you can just tear up smaller pieces of the tissue paper and layer over. Right, now I've got the whole thing covered, I'm just going to want to tighten it up a little bit, although it will dry tight. And if you've got any bits that you're worried about, you can just brush on more of the glue mixture to smooth out the tissue. At this stage, if you wanted to add some coloured tissue paper is not wet strength, so you can just place the sheet on top of the wet strength tissue paper before it dries. And now we're going to leave that to dry. So now we're going to add a light to the lantern. We're going to show you how to do it just using the frame of the lantern, but usually we do it once the tissue paper was on and dry, but this is easy to show you. We've got a small battery operated tea light. You can see it flicker in there. You can also use a strip of LED light. So we also have some fluorescent here, which is just strips of easily malleable wire. Here's a quick and easy way to suspend your tea light from your lantern. I'm going to show it on just the frame without the tissue, but it's easy to do with the tissue on. Put it on the lantern and then wind it round the bottom of the flame quite tightly and keep going round about 4 times, and that should hold well. Then take your upright, thread it through the apex and just bend over at the top in a hook. There you are, nice and secure. And here's the completed lantern.